This is a guide on how to install your FAC probe. Start by removing the silicon band by squeezing the band together and pulling down. Then unscrew the cap of the probe while trying not to cover the weeping hole. Once unscrewed, place the body of the probe on a stable surface and pick up your bottle of electrolyte. Fill the cap with electrolyte up to the bottom of the thread inside. Once full, ensure there is no bubbles. Screw the cap back onto the body of the probe while letting the excess come out of the weeping hole. Once it is tight and there is no gap between the cap and the main body of the probe, move the silicon band back into the recess. Ensure all O-rings and spacers are in the correct position as shown. Then install the probe into the flow cell. Ensure the locking nut is tight by using multi-grips or shifter. Then you will need to install the cable. There is a locator inside the terminal and the cable to help position the connection. This will drop into place if it has been seated correctly. Be careful not to force the connector together, as this can damage the connection. The nut only needs to be finger tight to provide a good seal. Then install the green terminal connector to an available module. These modules are labeled above the module. Module 2 is the left slot and Module 1 is the right. Once you have finished installing the probe, close the door and tighten all the screws. Then from your main screen, go to Generic Inputs. Then tap on an unused input. Then tap on Calibration. Then Setup. Then the module slot you plug the green terminal connector to, either M1 or M2. Now input the minimum and maximum values of your probe. These are located on the white sticker of the probe. Once you have finished configuring the probe to the controller, you now have to make sure the main screen FAC shows this reading. Press Return, then Return again, then tap on FAC, then Advanced, and change the probe allocation to your generic input. Then press Advance again, and check that you have a ppm reading and a milliamp reading. And now you're all done. If you have any issues with installing this, please call our sales team or visit our website.